So let's figure out why this doesn't work. First of all, let's clean this up. All right. And let's run it. We get a reference error numbers not defined on line 3. So we go to line 3, and here we are, number. Well, I believe the parameter of this function is numbers, so let's change that. That was a typo. And hey, it ran, but we don't see any output. That's because we are returning largest before we log it. And in fact, since we're returning largest, we can actually just log it like that. And we get largest. So the code's correct. But let's say that you wanted to log it inside the function. Well, you could just put it before return. See, once return executes, no other code afterwards will execute. So right now, if we return, we will actually jump out of the function, right? And go back in here. This will never run. So if you want to log something before you return it, you literally have to do it before you return it. So let's do that. Now we're going to log it, and then we're also going to log it. We're going to call console.log here, and after calling max value, it'll return the max value, and then we'll log it again. So we should see the max value twice then. But we get an error. Larget is not defined. Well, it's pretty obvious that we probably didn't mean to write larget, and it says the error is in line 10. So sure enough, yep, we meant largest, didn't we? Right? Yep, largest. That's what we meant. So anyway, now let's run it. Good. And the directions probably said to return the largest number, not log it. So that's correct. And in fact, if you don't log your return value, you won't even see it. So generally, this is how you write a proper function. You calculate a value and return it. I'm just fixing up the style. Okay. So we have variable declarations here. This is logic. So you put a space here and a space here. Separate your variable declarations from your logic. And similarly, I got my variable declaration here, got a space here, so just see this help. Good. Have a good time with the rest of the problem set.